Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change delivery zone on Skip the Dishes. So as you can see, I am on the official website of Skip the Dishes and this is their official help center. So to update your delivery zone, what you can do is follow this simple process. How do I add or remove zones? So just go to the availability tab on the scheduling screen in Courier app. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner and select update delivery zones. So once you click on update delivery zones, just click on available zones to select your zone and tap on highlighted zone to remove it and save your settings. So once you do that, you will update your delivery zone. And let's say if you face any other problems like what if there are no available zones, or how do I select my preferred zones to schedule in, so you can just read that. And let's say you want to select your preferred zone. So what you can do is just go to availability tab on the Courier app and tap on the settings icon and then select scheduling preference, and you can just adjust schedule delivery zones by tapping each zone on or off and save the settings. And you can also see this what if there are no available zones if you face this problem. And that is a simple and easy process of how you can update your delivery zones on Skip the Dishes app.